Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. VP Records presents Soca Gold. VP Records will treat soca lovers to a collection of soca tunes with this year's Soca Gold. The 17-track compilation, which will be released on July 31, will give listeners a taste of music from Trinidad, Barbados, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Antigua and Venezuela, and feature pulsating soca tracks including Bungie Garlin with The Struggle, Fionn Lyons with Dive, and Jamesy P with Don't Give Up. Soca Gold was established back in 1997. Naya Rivera is dead at 33. Actress Naya Rivera's death has been confirmed after authorities recovered her body from Lake Peru, the location that she was last seen with her 4-year-old son. The Glee actress had rented a boat with her son last Wednesday, but when the vessel was not returned, officials went out onto the water and discovered the child alone on the boat. The child was asleep and wearing a life vest, while the adult life vest was discovered on the boat. The little boy told officials that his mother had gone swimming. Ventura County Sheriff Bill Ayub said Rivera used the last of her strength to save her 4-year-old son, but did not have enough to save herself. Now, Tory Lanez possibly facing jail time. Rapper Tory Lanez has been arrested on felony gun charges after a gun was found in the vehicle that he was in with fellow rapper Megan Thee Stallion over the weekend. Following an alleged argument outside a house party in Hollywood Hills on Sunday, law enforcement was alerted as witnesses informed the police that persons were arguing in an SUV and shots were subsequently fired in the air. After intercepting the vehicle, both Tory Lanez and Megan were found inside the SUV along with another unnamed female. Megan Thee Stallion had a laceration on her foot thought to be from a broken piece of glass on the SUV floor. Upon search of the vehicle, police located a gun and arrested Tory Lanez, where he was booked on felony gun charges for carrying a concealed weapon inside a vehicle. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.